which which helps. I mean, seriously, what else do you need? Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet, and today I'll be talking to you guys about the 7 top oils that are amazing for natural hair. So my baby has been super clingy today, so he's on my back. I just decided to put him on my back because I need to film, and he's just like, mommy, 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 carry me. And I'm like, okay, I'll just do the African style. So yeah, so he's on my back. Just in case you hear baby noises, he's the one talking. Now, well, let's move straight on into the video. The most important thing to note about oils is that oils are not moisturizers, okay? A product that has water is a moisturizer, but there are oils that penetrate the hair strands, and there are oils that just seal up the hair. So having said that, just always know that you can't reuse only oils and feel your hair is moisturized. No, that's not how it works, especially with our type of hair. So the first oil I would love to highlight is my personal favorite, which is extra virgin olive oil. So I can say for certain that this oil is super wonderful. It nourishes and conditions my natural hair. It prevents cell damage. It has antioxidants that are great, maintaining scalp and hair health. It reduces frizz, and it helps combat dandruff. I mean, seriously, what else do you need? That is my top oil. My second best oil is avocado oil. And I like this oil because it has a medium, lightweight feel to it. It's not as thick as olive oil, so this is also good for medium to low porosity hair. It is rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fat. It also penetrates the hair shaft like olive oil. So it contains vitamin E, which protects our hair from ultraviolet rays from the sun. It also combats dandruff, and it is super fast in absorbing into your natural hair. The next up is coconut oil. I know coconut oil has a bad rap. I don't know why. I think why people would just kind of like don't shy away from coconut oil. Maybe it's because it is high in protein, and it helps reduce protein loss in hair, and if you use too much, it dries out your hair and makes your hair break, because that's what protein does. Protein strengthens your hair, so obviously if you do use a lot of coconut oil, your hair will get hard. But it is an amazing oil. It's been used for centuries, so coconut oil is my next top oil. Also the quick fact that it has antibacterial properties that help prevent infections on the scalp, and it helps prevent high brow fatigue. High brow fatigue is basically the rate at which your hair swells and comes back to normal every single time that you put a product in it, and every single time that you wash it, that's with water. So that swelling and reducing, sometimes your hair, when you overwash especially, your hair tends to get weaker and weaker and weaker. Coconut oil helps to prevent that damage from happening, which is obviously amazing. My next oil is a sealing oil, and it is castor oil. So castor oil comes in 3 different types. It comes in cold pressed, that's pure, nothing added, just cold pressed, cold expressed, which is just the crushing of the nut, that's the castor seed. Crushing of the seed, not the nut, sorry. Crushing of the castor seed and extracting the oil. And then there's a Jamaican black castor oil, and then there's a hydrogenated oil as well. The difference between cold pressed castor oil and Jamaican black castor oil is that with Jamaican black castor oil, you roast it before you express it. So that's before you express the oil. So the ashes from the oil is also added, ashes from roasting the nuts is also added into the oil, and that gives it a darker color. That's why Jamaican black castor oil is not clear, it's got a dark tinge to it. So yeah, that's mainly the difference. And hydrogenated black castor oil is basically oil that has been converted from oil to wax by the addition of hydrogen, obviously, and it's mainly used in cosmetic products. So some of the benefits of castor oil include excessive shedding. So it controls excessive shedding, but this obviously does not apply to ladies that are experiencing postpartum shedding. Don't think that castor oil will save your hair. No, your hair needs to shed. but naturally, without any influence of diet and any influence of stress and any influence of medication or any of those things that can influence the health of your hair, it does help control excessive shedding. Now, another benefit is it encourages hair growth. I use the word encourage because it cannot directly make your hair grow, which is the misconception that we get all the time. Oh, use castor oil, your hair will be super long. Use castor oil, your lashes will be super long. No, that's not how it works. Okay, so obviously if you use castor oil to do your scalp massages and to do your pre-poo treatment, then it increases blood flow to your scalp, which in turn helps to encourage. Oh, he's saying this and he's agreeing with me. So, which helps to encourage hair growth. I think I need to make this channel like Igbocurls and her baby, because he's going to be showing up in most of my tutorials if he's this clingy. So the last benefit for castor oil is that it makes the hair smoother and shiny. My next favorite oil is Monoi Oil, and this oil is especially really nice. I love the smell. It is a scented oil and it is made from Tahitian flowers in French Polynesia, and it's the only place in the world that makes this. So it is combined, the flowers are combined with coconut oil to make this amazing, sweet smelling, calm scented oil. I just love it. I love how it feels, I love how it smells, I love how light it is and how it makes my hair shiny. And because it contains coconut oil, it has all the benefits of coconut oil as well. So it is definitely one of my top oils. My next favorite oil is jojoba. Obviously spelled J-O-J-O-B-A, but it's pronounced jojoba. It is the only oil that mimics our natural hair oil called sebum, and it's great for preventing hair loss. It's great for obviously preventing dandruff. I know I've said dandruff like 3 times already with 3 different oils. This is the only oil that is as closely related to our hair oil sebum. So it is usually the best in terms of like preventing hair loss and treating dandruff obviously, and also improving your hair's thickness. So yeah, I would definitely recommend jojoba oil. So my final oil is almond oil, and this was a bit of a tie between almond and grapeseed, but I know I do prefer almond oil over grapeseed any day. And the best thing I love about this product, this almond oil is because it's an emollient. It helps fill the gaps in our hair shaft at a cellular level. So it's penetrating, and it just completely helps keep the hair smoother and shinier over time. So it's just brilliant, and I would definitely recommend it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to do a patch test before you try any of this oils on your hair, just in case you might be allergic to any. Yes, they're natural oils, but we all have different body types, so it's always very important to do a patch test. But on your forearm, that's the one I do all the time, and just to make sure that your hair will not react negatively, or your scalp will not react negatively to these oils. So click the subscribe button and also click the bell button to get a notification every time I upload. And don't forget to leave comments saying my favorite natural hair oil is, write the name of the hair oil there. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Live well, have a great life, take care now, bye bye.